Wild beehive I caught about 3 weeks ago, I think. Maybe not quite 3 weeks ago. Set up a swarm trap in a tree and I got them. Small swarm. Just now going through them to check them out. Looks like they're doing pretty good. Already had some hatch. As you can see by the holes all over it, the open cells. Already got larvae laid in them too. They're doing pretty good. Here's another frame. Queen's going around laying eggs there in the bottom. It's hard to see. She was laying a couple eggs per cell for a while, starting out. A couple, sometimes 3. Off center too, not in the middle. It's a sign of a young queen. She's got it figured out now. This one's filled out, the back side of it is, and the one I just pulled out. I'm working on the next one over too. It looks like it's a honey frame. Beautiful. She is wandering around. Well, she's a big one. Better hurry up and get this one back in so nothing happens. Here's what I don't like. This is an outside frame. They built a layer of comb on top of the foundation. Some of them going in and out of it, underneath it. I'm gonna rip that off there and hopefully they'll build it back off the foundation. The left side here, it's built right. I'll rip that off there, and I want to eat some honey anyway. They got plenty of honey down in there. I need to order one more frame. That's a 10 frame box and I got 9 frames in it. Need to stick another one in it, but overall they look to be doing pretty well for a wild swarm. I need to treat them for mites. That way get them beat back pretty good. I think it's been in there 3 weeks. It'll grow. Spend all year treating them, building them up, get the population up. Feed them sugar water, pure cane sugar, 50-50 if I have to. Later on with bee medicine in it. We're doing pretty good. Hopefully get more. Thanks for watching.